Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to give you a couple of pairings that you can wear with Bubblegum Pop. So we will do just 2 body sprays and then the 3 fragrances or EDPs that I think would be good to wear with Bubblegum Pop. So if you're interested in these, just keep on watching. Okay, so for body mist, my thought process behind this was, you just want to run some quick errands, something you want to smell, kind of sweet, kind of fun. You definitely, it isn't your smell, but better, but it's like just a nice enhanced little scent. I will pop up the notes for all of these as I'm talking about them. But for Bubblegum Pop, this came out in summer of 2022 at that semi-annual sale. And so if you didn't get your hands on it, hopefully they'll bring it back and, either just completely repackaged with another name, but all the same scents, or same name, but different packaging. Very fun scent. There are some up on Macari for reasonable prices. I probably wouldn't overpay for this. So this is, it really does smell like bubble gum. There's a little like citrus in there. It's just a nice, fun scent. Not too sweet in my opinion, but this is one that I would relegate to warmer weather. So late springtime, summertime, and then going into the fall when it's still warm. So the Victoria's Secret body mist that I thought and I feel like works really well with this came out in 2023, and that is Orange Flower Sun. When I post this video, there should still be available because this is that semi-annual sales coming up, although Victoria's semi-annual sales are not that great. So this one has a bubblegum note. It also has some woody notes, and it's just a really nice scent. In this line, there were a couple of other ones. This was the one that I ended up liking the most of the ones that they had. So to me, this really is just a nice, well-rounded, fun, bubblegummy, fresh scent when you prepare them together. If they're both body mist, so you're not moving into the 8-hour range. This is more kind of like 4 or 5 when if you do some layering combos. So like if you wear the Bubblegum Pop body wash, they did not come out with a matching lotion to that, but I do have a bubblegum body butter for that I sell with Noaba Fifi. The link to that is always below. And then there are other, different tuberose type of lotions that are out there now that you could buy as well. So if you do that layering kind of combination, you could get this to last a little longer. But again, it's a body mist, so it's not going to be super long. Then the next body mist that I thought would be really great to pair with Bubblegum Pop is Tutti Frutti Candy. And this comes out around Easter every year. I think it's been called Happy Easter in the past, but this is just a berry lemon kind of scent. So, and the reason I like this is because you can kind of really smell the lemon, whereas there's a citrus note in Bubblegum Pop, but to me, I don't smell it. So, pairing Tutti Frutti Candy with it just kind of brings out that citrus. So it's a little fresher. And again, I don't think bubblegum pop is super sweet and it's not clawing at all on me or to my nose. So to me, this pairing just really nice works nicely together. And again, this is one of those want to throw on something, don't really want to do too much. Maybe you're going to a baby shower or, going for coffee, or a brunch, but you're not trying to just like really do something heavy, but you want something fun and flirty and sweet, I think this is a good combination. So next I will show you the 3 perfumes that I love wearing with Bubblegum Pop. Okay, so I have 3 and they're all, well, I think 2 are really obvious. I think one, after I tell you why I work with it, that'll be more obvious too. So we'll get the most obvious one out the way, and that is Moschino's Toy 2 Bubblegum. Clearly, this is just the perfume version of Bubblegum Pop. So to me, it's just an obvious, easy pairing, kind of a no brainer. And I really enjoy this pairing. So wearing these together does extend the longevity of Bubblegum Pop. But when I say these two, this is Bubblegum Pop is the body mist version of Moschino's Bubblegum Toy 2. So You wear them together, you're going to get a lot of longevity. I think Moschino Toy 2 to me has like kind of a richer scent, so it's slightly different as it should be because it's an EDP, but I mean, that's me being picky. So next is Armani My Way. This is the Intense, which I love. And I actually got a smaller one of the Parfum. So either one of those, or even the Armani My Way, the original, they all would work well with Bubblegum Pop because they're a heavy tuberose kind of scent. It's just that nice, deep, rich tuberose scent. If you do not like tuberose, you're not going to like My Way, but you still could like Bubblegum Pop. So, but if you don't like tuberose, I don't think you'll like My Way at all. But you could still like Bubblegum Pop. And then these together, it's just, a no-brainer for me. This to me is one that you definitely could wear at date night in the summertime, warmer months. For me, My Way is one that I tend to reach for, when it's warmer. I think I can go later in the fall with this just because of kind of like the way the notes and work in this scent and how it hangs on my body. So, that's a good one. And then my final one is one that I think is a little less obvious, maybe, and that is Kayali Citrus. Now, I think they're discontinuing this because it's not on Sephora anymore, and even on the Kayali site. Um, the last time I looked, they only had the 50 mil. They didn't have the travel size or the 100 mil. So, if you if you have this and you have bubblegum pop, this is a great pairing to me. I actually love this. It's the citrus in Kayali, and this isn't like a sharp citrus for Kayali, and it just mixes it brings out the citrus and bubblegum pop in a way that I think is just really nice and works well together. And it's just a fun warmer months type of combination. So those are the three perfumes that I think would be great to wear with bubblegum pop. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. So I just wanted to give you like a quick couple of things that you could wear with bubblegum pop as it's, warming up, and this is definitely bubblegum pop season. It is, fun, flirty, just kind of running some errands type of scent. I really enjoy it a lot, and I think you will too. And just wanted to, give you guys some thoughts on what you can wear with it. So if you're just a body mist person and you don't really do the perfumes, you have some selection options. And if you are, you know, the layering, want to mix your perfumes, if you have any of these, definitely try them. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.